Hi, how are you guys? Today we're going to draw a yummy ice cream. I know everybody likes the ice cream, so let's draw the ice cream. This is like the chocolate flavor. So we're putting the chocolate color and drawing the shapes. Yeah, this is looking delicious. Going to look delicious after we complete the drawing. So yeah, let's see. Inside the ice cream, it looks like a vanilla or the white or any other flavor. Outside we have a chocolate coating. That's how the ice cream, it looks yummy. And let's put a border like the drawing. This drawing means that you have a few bites and you already tasted it. So after biting, the drawing is looking good. The white part, it's inside. Let's put a smiley face for the kids. The kids, they are going to like it, but I think everybody likes the ice cream, so there's no difference. Everywhere in the world, the hotter area, the dry area, or the cold area, the warm area, everywhere this is very delicious, and usually it's very colorful. So let's put the chocolate color here. So the ice cream, it's like the chocolate. That's another favorite flavor for most of the people, especially the girls and the kids. They like the chocolates. All right. All right, so the chocolate flavor, let's make it little darker. Okay. Looks good, looks good. Yeah, this is looks good. For the bottom, let's put two color variations and the steps here you can see, and a darker tone here. All right, all right. Let's draw a border like this, and the border you can see here. Okay. These are the symbolic drawings. This is symbolic drawings of the delicious ice cream. Okay, and for the bottom part, let's draw the outline like this one. We can draw the straight lines parallel to one another. This is going to be the drawing of the sticks. Let's put some shades for the sticks, and a light shade on the other side. All right. Little deeper on one side. Let's put few purple color here. Okay, we can enhance the shades with this kind of strokes for the one side. Yummy. I hope you guys like the video. This is a delicious ice cream. Everybody loves it. And after watching the video, you can go for it. You can have the ice cream, enjoy the time, have fun with the friends and family. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. Thanks for watching, and please put the bell icons on so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.